this video we will learn how to look up all the values from the table. So here in A column we have multiple occurrence of same name, and in B column we have the date in which they attended the class. So essentially what we have to do is we have to find all the days in which Chandler was present, all the days when Phoebe was present, and like that. Okay, so let's have a look. So what we have to do over here is we have to first create two columns before the last attended class column. So the first column will contain count of the values, and the second column will be just name and count. So count essentially will be a bit tricky formula. We will be using count ifs. We will use dollar sign first, then we will press a, then dollar, then 2. So essentially we have to fix this a2, and then we have to keep the second reference as a moving reference, which will be just simply a2, and again we have to search just for a2. I know the formula is a bit tricky, so we will just copy the formula. So I will explain the formula now. So what our formula does over here is it counts number of occurrence of rows till now. So till 12th row, rows has occurred 3 times, first, second and third. That's why our formula is giving an output as 3. So you can see that the first a2 is fixed and the second is a moving reference. Okay, now what we have to do is we just have to concatenate these two values. We will press equal to, we will select the first name, then press and sign, and then press and then select B2. Okay, so it will give the name and occurrence of the student name, and just drag this formula till the end. Okay, so over here Phoebe has occurred 4 times. So now let's write the VLOOKUP formula. So is equal to VLOOKUP. We have to look up for the name as well as the count of occurrence, right? So we will choose the name as Chandler over here, and we will have to fix this column containing names. So we will press F4 3 times, and then we will press AND symbol. Then we will press H3 and fix this row which contains 1 2 3 4, just to figure out what is the count against these values. Okay, and then press comma and then select this table and fix it by pressing F4 once, and then the result array is second index, and then we will press 0 because we want to return exact match, and just press enter, and just copy paste the formula all over here. So what this table shows now is Phoebe has attended third class on 23rd of March, Joe has attended second class on 13th of March, and so on. So this table gives a wholesome view of on which day what person was present, etc.